Hi, I'm Jerry Ting, founder and CEO of Evisort, and I couldn't be more excited to be here today to talk to you all about building AI for document intelligence, which means using AI to understand important information in documents like contracts, invoices, policies, and more, and then using that information to drive impactful business outcomes. Document intelligence is a cause important to me. As I studied to become a lawyer, I saw so many opportunities to use AI to help streamline legal, compliance, finance, and HR workflows. This realization, combined with my passion for technology, ultimately led me to start Evisort, one of the leading AI companies for document intelligence. I wanted to bring the power of AI to the legal world and the many departments that we as lawyers support. While AI has been a part of my life for a while now, the last 2 years has been particularly exciting. Today, anyone with an interest in AI can experiment with it, even at home. But how do we move beyond experimentation to successful AI deployments that deliver measurable outcomes? This AI Masterclass will give you the insights you need to do just that. We'll explore the nuances and value of document intelligence, the crucial difference between test data and real-world data, the importance of collaboration between business experts and technology teams, and finally, how AI transformation is an organizational-wide journey. Let's get started. Documents are critical. Anytime a company buys something, sells something, or even hires someone, it leaves a document trail. Yet today, most of this work is done manually, leading to errors and often wasted time. AI offers a solution, the ability to automate these workflows and revolutionize how HR, legal, and finance professionals work and support the departments that they operate with. However, documents themselves are often unorganized, unstructured, and messy. They're full of what I like to call noise. They come in all kinds of shapes and sizes and formats: scanned pages, faxes, handwritten notes, typed letters, or even paper with watermarks or coffee stains. Understanding a document isn't just about the words on a page. Often, it involves context, semantics, and legal implications. The review of documents for HR and finance is particular in that it's both nuanced and critical. One of the most important lessons in developing AI products is the difference between data used for testing and the data from real-life use cases. Something that works well in a demo testing environment might totally fail in a real-life situation, and that can cause a breakdown of trust with customers. Using simulated data ultimately does not meet the needs of our customers. Our AI needs to be able to work on documents with customers' real data, and once they see AI working on their documents in real life, a light bulb moment of understanding and realization happens. Off-the-shelf third-party AI models simply aren't enough to capture the diversity of AI and client data. The real world is messy, and AI for documents must handle it all. To achieve AI success at scale, you need large, realistic training datasets that incorporate real noise and variability. This has to be built natively into the product. AI needs to work in real life, not just in a commercial. What's special about our approach to document intelligence is the interdisciplinary nature of how we collaborate across teams to develop our products. It's not just about the tech, it's about how you apply it, and that requires domain expertise. You need lawyers, HR practitioners, accountants, compliance experts, the real experts doing the work. They understand the nuances and the risks. For example, as a lawyer, I'm okay with AI doing a first pass at my task, but I'm not okay just blindly trusting it to negotiate with our counterparty. Across our product leadership, we have many leading former practitioners working with technology teams to build contract lifecycle management and document intelligence from the ground up, tied to real-life scenarios and use cases. It is fascinating to watch domain experts work with AI technologists, both teaching each other about their own domains, and then coming together as a unified team building AI products. Compliance is at the center of both HR and finance departments, and driving transformation requires an organizational-wide point of view. In HR, for example, from the first candidate touchpoint to onboarding, lifecycle management, and finally offboarding, being compliant and having proper documentation is critical, and AI can help with that. Similarly, in finance, AI could be tremendously helpful for lead to cash, procure to pay, accounting, planning, and beyond. This need for a comprehensive approach is precisely why our product development process focuses on helping businesses pinpoint those specific use cases, the areas where AI can truly make a difference. For example, automating revenue recognition is vastly different from using AI for HR tasks. AI-first solutions require deep customer engagement, understanding, and empathy. To use AI to transform a business process requires the buy-in of the broader organization, as business processes often span multiple departments and chains of command. Therefore, transforming business processes with AI requires buy-in from across the organization, as these processes often involve multiple departments and management levels. And ultimately, enterprise-wide AI adoption depends on partnering with vendors who prioritize responsible AI development, possess relevant domain expertise, and maintains a strong compliance posture. This is the foundation for true AI-driven transformation. So, to summarize, building AI for document intelligence isn't just about deploying the latest technology. It's about changing the way we think about business processes. The goal is to make organizations more compliant, more efficient, and more data-driven. When using AI for document intelligence, remember the following. First, AI use cases are everywhere for documents. Documents underpin almost every major business process and spans the enterprise. Second, AI success hinges on real-world data. Testing data is not the same as real-world data. AI models must be trained and validated with diverse, noisy, real-life documents to ensure they perform accurately in practice. Next, domain expertise is non-negotiable. Building effective AI for document intelligence requires deep domain expertise. Lawyers, HR professionals, accountants, and other practitioners must be involved from the onset to guide development and mitigate risks. And last, but certainly not least, successful enterprise AI adoption requires strategic planning and integration across all business operations. It's not just about a feature to be added, but requires a fundamental shift towards an AI-first mindset where AI is woven into the fabric of the organization, guided by use cases that align with business needs and are carefully implemented. By focusing on these key principles, businesses can move beyond experimentation and unlock the true power of AI for document intelligence. I believe we're at the cusp of a major transformation in how we work, thanks to AI, and I, for one, am incredibly excited to be a part of it. Thank you.